Today our topic is transport. Any mean that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Machine which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Some vehicles are driven forward by engines. The engine run on petrol, of course, diesel or CNG. And some vehicles also run on electricity. Car is the most commonly seen vehicles. You can see cars on road every day. Here on your screen you can see other vehicles as well, which have engine. They all need petrol, diesel or CNG and oil and water to run. The tire needs air. Can you think why water is needed and where it is used in vehicles? Water is needed because it prevents a car to get overheated. Actually, car's cooling system needs coolant to keep it from overheating. Although water can be added to the radiator, for this purpose it is preferable to add a mixture of coolant and water because water can boil before the proper coolant. The auto rickshaw, scooter, bike, jeep, truck, bus and tanker also run on engine. Some vehicles do not have an engine. They are pulled by animals. Have you seen any of these on road? Have you noticed? These kind of vehicles contain a horse carriage, tanga, handcraft and bullock cart. You know what? Some vehicles neither have engine nor they pulled by animals. How do you think they move? The example of these kind of vehicles are bicycle. Air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Of course, aeroplanes can fly over the seas and high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over long distances in the short time. Being a Pakistani, we face lot of troubles by travel by road regarding traffic issues and etc. But aeroplanes, on the other hand, are free from all these hurdles. Of course, they have no traffic issues and etc. In short distances by air, the helicopter is most useful. Helicopters can land almost anywhere, even on your school playfield. Means helicopter does not need a runway to land, so it can land almost anywhere. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheel. Train have a wheel too, but it run on track or rail. Railway carriages are pulled by powerful engine. The power of these engine comes from diesel, coal or electricity, of course. In Pakistan, we have a railway network that links all major cities and towns to be connected. Of course, train is a very big vehicle, so it needs a very powerful engine to be run. There is also a good network of roads and highways. Many people travel by car and many more use the bus services. You know what? To move from city to city, we also have option to book buses. There are big coaches are allotted to travel from city to city. People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, a river or a lake. They can travel by boat or aeroplanes. There are many kind of boats. A ferry, for example, carries people and goods. Goods is here used in sense of products. From one bank of a river to the opposite side, ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. Ships that carry oil are called tankers. They are huge ships, big ships. You can see in picture 7. Huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Goods that are packed in containers are transported in container ships. Ferry is also used to carry passengers and sometimes vehicles and cargo across the water. Speedboat is a very high speed boat. Law enforcement use these extremely fast boats to catch criminals such as smugglers, drug traffickers. Not every boat or ship is of course used for import and export goods purpose, but also used for some pleasures such as racing, touring, camping, adventure, freestyle, and general recreation. So use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers, or the seas.